This is Mark at the Meerkat suffering in for Des on this broad market review for the 2nd of April 2014. Well, there's another bullish day on Wall Street. Let's take a look at the numbers here. The S&P was up at 0.29%, a no all-time high. Then we have the Dow was also up at 0.24%, closed just under its all-time high. We have the NASDAQ up at 0.2 and the small caps up at 0.35%, leading the way up. Now, bank, though, however, did pull back a little bit here, so that does not confirm our upward move. And look at that. The VIX was actually down 0.15%, and so that is not confirming our move up. We have the gold and silver up rather sharply today, and again, good old oil was down a little bit. So let's take a look here. And transportation. Look at the bottom down here. Transportation up 0.66, closed at an all-time high as well. So that does confirm that we might have some more room to go on the market here as we move upward. By the way, for those of the Grok grads, take a look at the trend here. Was right there at the trend trade level. Okay, let's take a look at the SP 500 Daily chart. And here we are. Boom! Up. We are officially in an up leg here. We got 4 up bars. So we are on the bullish side, and as far as our diversion that we had down here, it's just starting to break out from that, so that's good news as well, unless it were to turn down suddenly. If we look at it on the weekly chart, we can see that, yeah, we've broken out to new all-time highs, and again, down here on the MACD, it is just barely ticking just above that, and that's good. It could break that diversion that we have going on there. Let's take a look at the SPY, so we can take a look at volume. This is one of the disturbing things that's been happening this week. After 4 up days, what's happening to volume? It's going down. Well, let's see. So that's just a little bit of thunder in the distance that might cause us to take a little caution here as we do this rally. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrials. There you go. Kaboom! It's up here. It closed just underneath that all-time high. It did break it at one time today, but closed just under it. Take a look at the NASDAQ. Again, now it closed above the 20 moving average here. That's good news. And then we have the small caps up. Kaboom! It's up here also above the 20 moving average. It stayed above it, so no big sell-offs today after reaching all-time highs on the S&P. Now, that's good news, isn't it? This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Just here to remind you that we always trade with a stop. Why? Because managing risk is paramount over even making money. Trade well.